More information on the table for a router table. I carefully scribed around the router, and some of the router extended beyond here. I just wanted the opening for the bits to be just about, a little bit closer to the edge in this case. And the four holes are for mounting the router in place. I just take the screws out of the bottom of the router and then put them on here, or I've got some longer screws to hold the router in place. Now on the business side of this, as you can see, it looks like the rudimentary router table. The fancy pants things that cost several $100s. That's all they've got, is something to hold the router in place. And then I've got a auxiliary fence, which I can clamp into place with a couple of these guys, one on each end. And I'm ready to cut molding. And as you can see, this is built with the easily sawed down materials, some dimensionally true plywood. It stays dimensionally true after you've worked with it. Woodworker's glue and wood screws or sheetrock screws. Everything just to hold it together. Nothing fancy. So everybody have fun handymanning and crafting.